Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the controller is charged and was previously paired to something. Once done, open a Bluetooth scanner on your phone or laptop and enable scanning. Put the Pro controller or Joy-Con into pairing mode so it broadcasts a Bluetooth signal. This step shows you where the controller is, and crucially it shows which host recently connected. Make sure to note the signal strength and device name so you can use it to track movement toward the switch area. You now walk toward the stronger RSSI reading, watching the scanner for jumps in signal strength. Move slowly and sweep rooms in a grid pattern. Check obvious hiding spots like couch cushions, bags, and behind furniture. If the controller shows as connected to another device, try disconnecting that device or briefly pairing the controller to your phone to confirm proximity. Make sure to rescan after each move. A steady increase in signal tells you you're closing in on the switch's last known area. When the signal peaks, try pressing the home button or the sync button to wake the switch or force a reconnection. If the console responds, you've found it. Once recovered, charge and check wireless settings so it's easier next time. If you never see a signal, recharge the controller and repeat scans on a different phone or laptop. Interference from other electronics can mask Bluetooth. If problems persist, systematically inspect likely hiding spots and consider using a flashlight to reveal hidden crevices.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.